Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the metering mode on the SONY ZV-1F camera. So the first thing that I'm going to do is open up the settings by pressing the menu button. Then we're going to go to the exposure/color section, so this pink section right here, and then select metering and select metering mode. So here you have a few options like multi-center spot where you can change to standard and large. You have entire screen average and highlight. So select the option that suits you the best, and once you're done with that, you can just exit out the settings and your options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.